Hi everyone, how are you? Today I'm not having any makeup except lipstick, and I need to unbox the stuff too because I can't wait. They are here for like million years and I need to finish it to use them. And in this video I will try to speak Arabic and English because lots of people asking me why I don't speak Arabic. I have lots of people around the world too watching my videos. I'm trying to make a balance, I don't know how, but anyway, again I have to thank you Natasha at Dior in the Galleria. If you are in Dubai or Abu Dhabi, you have to pass by and try to meet or see Natasha or Natalie. She is a very nice, sweet girl, and she made me buy lots of things and I'm happy with it, everything. And she doesn't push you to buy anything. She's just talking and have lots of stories and history about Christian Dior. And anyway, thank you Natasha again. And Amin is there. If Natasha's not there, Amin is there too. He's so sweet guy, he's always helping me if Natasha's not there. I want to open the stuff, I can't wait. Anyway, let me speak a little bit in Arabic and I will go back to the English. ازيكم، اخباركم ايه؟ وحشتوني. النهارده هفتح شويه حاجات اشتريتها من ديور. تاني، لو سمحتم لو انا مش عاجباكم ارجوكم ما تتفرجوش عليا. الستات اللي متضايقه مني ما تتفرجش عليا، ما تحطليش كومنتس وحشه. الناس اللي بتقولي روحي العمره، انت شعرفك انت ما تعرفنيش عشان تقولي روحي العمره، ولا كفايه سنك، ولا سنك كبير، انت مالك؟ ما تتفرجش عليا ارجوكوا. دي الشانل دي فيها فن، فيها سعاده. وعمري ما قلت ان انا سني 25 سنه، انا فوق ال40، بس انا مبسوطه ان انا فوق ال40. مش هفضل اقول كل شويه، كل واحد عنده همه ومشاكله. مش كوني ان انا بتكلم وبطلع وبحاول ادي بوزيتيفيتيز للناس كلها ده معناه ان انا ما عنديش مشاكل، او ما يعني انا مش عايزه افتح في مشاكل. لان انا لما قررت ان انا اطلع على الهوا كده واشوف الناس كلها، ده كان قرار من جوايا ان انا مش عايزه افتح اي نكد او اي حاجه تضايق اي حد يشوفني، او يحس بالبؤس وهو بيتفرج عليا، او يحس باليأس وهو بيتفرج عليا. لان احنا الستات اقوياء، انا still believe in that. الست ما هياش ضعيفه وما هياش اي حاجه حصلت لها في حياتها تكتئب. ده غلط. انا كنت في الحياه ديت ودلوقتي بحاول اطلع منها، وبحاول زي ما انا بحاول اديكم البوش، انا عايزاكم انتوا كمان تدوني البوش، ما تدونيش باد كومنتس. ومن اول ما ابتديت قلت يا جماعه، اللي حابب يشوفني اهلا وسهلا، اللي مش حابب يشوفني ما تشوفنيش. مفيش اي، ده فري كانتري زي ما بنقول، فري وورلد. عايز تبص، وفي 200 فيديو تاني و200 فلوجرز و200 بلوجرز، واصغر مني واحلى مني وارفع مني. روح بص على دول، ما تفرجش عليا يا سيدي. انا مش عامله ليك انت الموضوع، انا عامله للستات اللي هم حابين او عندهم ability ان هم يغيروا ويشوفوا الحياه مختلفه، ويشوفوا ان مش مهما كبرنا في السن لسه في حياه قدامنا. اللي عايز يعمل حاجه يعملها طالما انت ما بتضايقش حد وما تاثرش على حد. لان احنا ما تعودناش في الشعب العربي عامه والمصريين خاصه، لان انا مصريه، انا ما اعرف اكتر شعبي، ان الستات ما تعرفش تبسط نفسها، ما تعرفش تشوف هي عايزه ايه بتحبه وتعمله. ملبوخه دايما في الولاد وفي جوزها اللي بتحاول تريحه وهو ما بيريحهاش، وكل واحد مين يريح التاني. ارجوكوا، انا مش عايزه افتح كل المواضيع ديت الفيديو. لو عايزيني اتكلم في المواضيع ديت ممكن تقولولي في الكومنتس تحت يا ربي، وانا سعيده ان انا افتح واتكلم معاكم وادردش في المواضيع دي كلها. بس الفيديو دوت مخصوص علشان نتبسط، مش علشان نحكي مشاكلنا. بس لو حابين كده ممكن اعمل كده بس يعني انا مش ده الغرض بتاعي كده. ممكن اعمل كده بس يعني انا مش ده الغرض بتاعي. الغرض بتاعي positivities وشوبينج وفن وحاجة حلوة تشوفوها، حاجة حلوة تشوفوها. هو لازم كله مشاكل؟ احنا اتعودنا على المشاكل صح، بس في حاجات تانية حلوة ممكن تتشاف، ممكن تتسمع، ممكن تتقري. على العموم انا دلوقتي حاولت اتكلم بالعربي شوية، فهحاول اتكلم بالانجليزي شوية، وهحاول ابقى بالانس بين الاتنين عشان محدش يزهق. وانا مبسوطة ان انا معاكم. وعندي كمان خبر تاني زي ما قلت في الفيديو بتاع ديور، بس مش عايزة اقوله دلوقتي لغاية ما يحصل، فعشان كده هتلاقوني مشغولة وما بطلعش كتير. بس ارجوكم اعذروني، في فعلا حاجة قوية بتحصل في حياتي الشخصية، فاكيد هقول لكم بس في الوقت المناسب. Let's have fun unboxing the stuff, okay? Let's do it. This is my first, or too many things actually. I love those packages of Dior. It's a beauty. And did you see this star? Oh, beautiful. Let me open it. I can't wait for it. أنا كنت سايباها. I left it in front of my mirror قدام مرايتي علشان افتحها بقالي 10 ساعات. Look how beauty the package. I don't want to open it. Actually, I don't want to open it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will open it for you. هفتحها عشان خاطر عينيكوا انتوا، بس انا لو عليا عايزه اسيبها كده. Okay. Okay, I unwrapped it. It's beautiful. Look at that. Chris and Dior, I love you. I love you. I love you. Where have I been before? Ah, look how beautiful that. It's a beauty. You get what you pay for it, right? Ah, first time I have. Look at that. This is the ABC Lady Dior's, and you know why? I don't know if, well, it doesn't look very, it should be red, but the color beautiful. Hold a second with me. Hold a second. Yeah, it is a beauty. I don't know, the lighting is not justified, but definitely I will wear it. And here is, you know, and this is the famous Dior. Oh, a beauty, a beauty. And the scarf. We were debating, me and Natalie. It's, you're right, it's different really. I love it. Yeah, like you said, it's the burgundy one. We didn't see that when I came last time. Look, how did you wrap it for me? I love you, Natalie. Beautiful. And this is, I love the size. And it's not have the zipper, which I love. And it is open like that. And here is, it comes with the strap. That's why the strap, it is, it's called My Lady Dior, because the strap you can pick actually when you buy the, when you buy the bag, you have option for free pick 3 of those beautiful, I don't know why it doesn't focus. Focus, please focus, focus, yes. And she picked with me those 3 beautiful. I want heart or something, but it was not there. But this is nice. This is a lion. This is my husband, and I want something with red, so to mix and match, not to be all in gold. Can you see that? Yeah, I hope so. Definitely it doesn't justify, and I love the strap to be thick like that. And this is my beauty. If you want me to go through details about the purse, it's beautiful and has feet. I love feet. Okay, this is my first or one of my purchase. And then here another one, big one as well, with the beautiful star, beautiful bag. Let me put it here. Let me start with the small box first. Look how beautiful. I love that. I don't know how did I survive without buying, because maybe I didn't meet Natalia and Iman and Amin. Okay, this is something I love. Anyway, I used to wear lots of scarves long time ago, but when I moved to Houston and Abu Dhabi, the weather is not very, but I love a scarf. But this is, I bought from the new collection, this beautiful scarf. And you know me, I love blue, I love burgundy. It's a beautiful one, I love it. I will definitely style it later on. And the last thing, it is my another bag, which is something different than my style. But you know what? You have to go out from your comfort zone sometimes. And of course, in this beautiful, oh, I forgot how beautiful. This is the new Sortie Montaigne, the CD, and the Oblique, because I didn't have anything Oblique. It's beautiful. And of course, Natalie put for me the scarf too, because she knows that I love scarf. And there's a cute pocket in the back, and you can open it like that. And it's actually quite spacious from inside, you know that? And it has, of course, a beautiful, it's edgy for me, something different, but I love it actually. And the strap is a beauty too. I love that. It makes a match. Beautiful. I will style it with you. It's a long video, I know, long stuff, and I didn't put the shoes still. I think I will wear them, it's better. I love you so much. بحبكم جدا وارجوكم عايزاكم تبقوا مبسوطين وانتوا بتتفرجوا عليا. قولوا لي اي كومنت. الناس اللي بتقول عمرك ما طلعتي بالميك اب والكلام ده، اديني من غير ميك اب وبنضاره النظر بتاعتي ومش متضايقه، مبسوطه وسعيده، شكلي كده، وشي كده، جسمي كده. That's it. I love you so much. Have a nice day and see you again. Bye.